Hey YouTube, this is the VBOA tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fake virus scanner in VBOA. Okay, so first off you want to open Visual Basic, click New Project, give it a second to load. Okay, and call this whatever you want. I'm going to call this, hold on, to call antivirus 2. Okay, give it a second to create the project. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's done. Now, make it a bit bigger because we're gonna make it smaller. Let's edit this first. Call it whatever you want. Let's call this virus. And then start position, I will go with center screen. And minimize button false. Maximize button false. Any other thing you want. I'm just doing this. And there's one more thing I'm trying to find. Here it is. Fix single. There it is. Okay, so first off, you're going to need 4 labels. So get 4 labels. Put one here. Put one here. And put this one on the end. And this one in front of it. Okay. And then we need a progress bar. So look for progress bar. I never can find it. There it is. And put that right here. Now get 3 buttons. Put one here. And I'm gonna make mine bigger. And they don't have to be big buttons. I just make my buttons big. And then shorten this to fit. Okay? Now we're going to change all these properties. Label 1, make sure it's label 1, is going to be called status. Then put colon, semicolon, whatever they call it. And then this is nothing. Just leave it there. This is number of viruses. I don't know how to spell viruses. And we also gotta add the semicolon right there. And this is going to be 0. Now we can readjust this. And those. Ooh, see, there it is. Okay. Now we're going to change this property to scan or start, whatever you want. Call this stop button. And this is the clean button. Oh, one more thing. Timer. You have to have a timer. Add a timer. And just call it Timer1. No need to change anything. Leave it enabled. Make sure enabled equals false, and don't mess with anything. Okay, now that we have that, I'm going to open up the code here. The code will be in the description, and there will be an alternative link. We're going to double click perform load. And we don't need to do that right now. do that last. Put import system.io and form1 load, put Button2.Enabled equals false. And the same goes for Button3. Okay. Double click Button1, which is scan button, and copy all this code from the description, but I'll explain it here. Okay. Label2.text equals scanning period. Timer1.Enabled equals true. Timer1.start. If File.Exists, you can change these to whatever you want. I just use 4 files. If that exists, label4.text equals plus equals 1. Means it adds 1. And after all the ends, ifs, and all that, it says Button2.Enabled equals true when you click that, so that way you're able to stop. Okay, click button 2 for the stop button, and you're going to put in Timer1.stop, Timer1.Enabled equals false, label2.text equals stopped, label4.text equals 0, Timer1.stop. Again, yeah, I don't know why. Go back and click button 3, which is the clean button or remove button, whatever you want to call it. I have to find that code. Okay. I'll explain it. It says if you click that, if File.Exists, whatever, it says kill it, which means it deletes it. It does not go to your recycle bin. And after it's done doing that, it says virus is cleaned, label2.text equals nothing, label4.text equals 0, and Timer1.Enabled equals false, progress bar.value equals 0, Button3.Enabled equals false. It disables itself. Okay, last coding. Try to make this really quick. It probably is, I don't know. Go back to your form and double click the timer. Progress bar.maximum equals 100. Progress bar.value plus equals 2, which means it adds 2 every time. As long as this is running, it's going to keep at. Progress bar.1.value equals 100. Then Timer1.stop. Label2.text equals finished. Don't know what that's there. Button2.Enabled equals false. Message box. Virus protector found, and then you're going to put a space, and then label4.text, which is the number, and viruses. Okay, Timer1.Enabled equals false. That equals 0. That equals nothing. And if that equals 1, then it's going to button 3 is true. It equals 2 true, 3 true, 4 true. Now, the reason I have to add every one of these is because if it's 0, it's not going to show up. Okay, and I'm going to run it. Hold on, it should be running now. Waiting. Okay, and these are disabled. That's that. See, status scanning. Stop. It stopped. No virus is found. Okay, start scanning, going. Now, if I right click and add a text file, call this text. Hold on, typed it wrong. Text3 and text1. Scan. Number of viruses found in. We stop it, 0, and that. Then it will resume. Virus protector found 2 viruses. There they are, text3 and text1. Okay, and the clean button is revealed. We're going to click viruses clean, and you see they deleted, not in the recycle bin. Okay, this has been the VBOA tutorials. Thanks for watching and have fun.